All right, hello AP Computer Science students. Today is Monday, December 7th, and last Friday we finished up chapter 4. We just did the test. So today we are starting a new chapter, chapter 5 on methods. Pretty cool, powerful thing. So kind of the next building blocks. We did loops, we did conditionals, we've done variables, but methods are the kind of the next piece of this. So far we've been writing just like one method, the main method, and we're going to start to build other little methods this chapter and learn how to program using methods. That's really the main goal of this chapter. For today, if you go to today's folder, actually this week at the start of it, if you look, we're just going to have a bunch of lessons on methods, and today is just lesson number 1. We've got a couple videos for you to watch. The chapter 5 programs are here too, so you can kind of start those as it makes sense. But I did make little starter codes. So honestly, we've been doing methods a lot when we do something like coding bat. That just had you write a method. And so kind of like coding bat, I made some test cases to help you test your programs. And so you can use these little starter codes. So you can like load this code into your editor and then just kind of make the method that's in there. It'll have some directions, but also the directions are here. But just make the little method, and then you can run the test cases in main. So if I open this one maybe for us, you'll see there's kind of like some tests in main, and then you have to write a method outside of main. So these are just kind of some tests that'll see if your method's working right, and then you'll write your method down here outside of main. Okay, so these are just starter codes, and I wanted to highlight them because they are pretty useful. Save you a little bit of time. You don't have to write your test cases or whatever. So I just wanted to highlight that. And then the other thing is the retest from chapter 4. If you want to do that, reach out to me in an email, and I will make you a help video about what you went wrong in your first attempt of the test. You can watch that and then work on the POL here, and always ask questions on the POL. I can help with those too. So if you're retaking, those are the directions. That is it. Hope you have a great week. Take care.